Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to my sewing room. I'm going to demonstrate how to do overlock stitches. An overlock stitch binds the raw edges on your seams. Now on my machine I have quite a few. I have 9. Most computerized machines have some of these stitches, and maybe you even have all of them. A mechanical machine may have 1 or 2. One of the things you need to do for yourself is read the user's manual. There will be a section in your book with a chart listing all of the stitches, the type of presser foot you need to use for each stitch, and the type of fabric that those stitches are made to work on. So let's get started. I have a baby lock crescendo, and these are the 2 presser feet that are used for doing the overlock stitches. My G foot is used for fabrics that do not stretch, and the J foot is used for fabrics that stretch. On the G foot, you'll notice a little bar right there in the center of the presser foot, and I'm going to turn it over, and then you're going to see it again. It's this little piece and it sticks out. When you are sewing, you push the raw edge of your fabric up against that little piece, and it keeps the stitches from bunching up the raw edge. Here is one of my overcast stitches. It uses presser foot G, and it's used for reinforcing light and medium weight fabrics. Also, I have 2 more stitches that I use presser foot G. Presser foot G is used for non-stretch fabrics. Now I have a whole lot more for presser foot J. J foot is used for fabrics that stretch. My stitch that's labeled number 15 is used for lightweight fabric. This fabric is very sheer, and here is the stitch along the edge, and if you want to see what it looks like when it's not stitched on the edge, here it is here. Now for my G foot, again, this is medium weight fabric, and it has an edge, the raw edge unravels really easily. So this is the stitch you would use on fabrics that unravel easily. And then I have one more. This is one that is used on heavyweight fabric. And you can see it does a really nice stitch over that edge. So this is how your fabric would look when you're using the G foot. Again, the edge of that fabric is right up against that little bar that's underneath, and you just guide it along there. You don't look at your needle, you just keep the fabric next to that little guide bar. Here is some stretch fabric. Let me pull this down a little bit. So this is what the stitch looks like. It's actually more slanted, but when you're working on stretch knits, it doesn't always quite look like it does in the picture, but this is what it looks like when it's on the edge. And when you place this, this was a little tricky. It was hard to find the right little mark, but this last mark to my right, those little etch marks on there, I kept it just to the left of that and stitched. And when you're done, you take it out of your machine, it stretches. I have 6 different overlock stitches to use on stretch fabric, and they will describe in your user's manual which one you use for different types of fabrics. For more sewing tips and sewing projects for beginners, play this video until a green screen appears and then click on the links. Phone or iPad and enter I'm so distracted by what you guys are doing. If you like this video, please click on thumbs up and don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red button down there in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Click on the bell and enter your email address so you receive those email notifications. If you're not receiving your email notifications, go to your cell phone or iPad, click on settings, and turn notifications on. This is Maria and Bailey, Manny, Jamie, and Teddy. Thanks for coming. Bye-bye.